Today we're reviewing Elite Singles, the dating app for professional. It sounds promising, but is it actually worth your money in 2025? This is based on personal opinion and online research, not sponsored. Elite Singles targets educated singles with over 85% holding higher degrees. It's available in 20 plus countries and gives you 3 to 7 daily matches based on a 20-minute personality test. Free users can't message anyone, so you'll need to upgrade. Plans range from $30 to $50 per month depending on the subscription length. Sites like datingapps.com highlight its structure and professional base, claiming 2,000 couples are formed monthly. But Trustpilot paints a darker picture. 1.6 stars from 300 plus reviews. Complaints include paying with no quality matches or messages, login and password reset issues, poor customer support. Some were told to send letters to Germany just to get help, accounts getting locked right after payment. In theory, Elite Singles offers structure and high standards. In practice, it's frustrating, buggy, and overpriced. It might have worked in the past, but in 2025, it's not worth for most people. Try the Elite Singles? Share your thoughts below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.